Kill him.
Dude, them pigeons, that was some training, dude.
Oh yeah. Try him.
Both your guys' shoulders.
Woohoo!
They were up there.
I was like, boom, 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 boom.
They were up there a little ways.
There we go.
We got an uno.
We got an albino chicken.
Pushing forward. Get
Get him, 4. Oh! There you go.
I wonder what they're not liking if we need to put some sticks in front of us or something.
Kill that one. Woo! Smoke.
gotta get
That's the black one.
That's the black one. Yep.
Yep. Look at that one.
Ooh, that is black.
Dang.
Wow. That is nuts.
Look at this speck. Oh my gosh.
I saw that one first thing. Remember when Did you mount a spec?
No.
Seen the
No.
dark one.
Dude, that's a beast right there.
Yeah, Adam and I were down there like, look at that.
Oh my gosh, that's
How old do you think
crazy.
he is?
He's old.
That's an old speck. Look at that.
Kill him. Get him, buddy.
There you go.
Woo!
Hey, wait,
Wait.
that one. He's getting. Watch him.
Oh, get him, 4.
Wait.
4 got him.
He's got him.
He'll get
got
him.
him.
He's
Get
not
him,
getting off
4.
the
Come on, 4.
ground.
One over here walking too, Wade.
Woo! There we go, boys. We got some big old honkers. Big honkers. That's what we want right there. Good job, 4. Good job, 4. we go, baby. Yeah.
Look at his
Look at that big old honker, dude.
goodness.
That honker weighs as much as four.
Just dragging it around.
Good boy.
Speckle-belly, and then these little chicken-looking things are lessers, and then over here are honkers. So these are like Canadian geese. Yeah, hold that son of a gun up.
Compare that one to one of the lessers.
Yeah,
Grab
look.
one of those lessers.
So you guys can see the size difference. We got prairie chickens over here and freaking pterodactyls right there. Those are the other two. And then check, I mean, those are the four, but check this speck out. So this is something maybe you guys know, I didn't know, but you see how much darker this one is than this one. That